The world is changing, and when the world changes, each one of us have only two options. Either we grudgingly accept the change or we willingly lead the change. And most of the careers these days are built by either founders who lead that change and start the change, and the people who join them. So these days, if you want to have a fulfilling career, an exciting career, either you become an entrepreneur or you become entrepreneurial. And so entrepreneurship has become the mainstay of the economy and even in the social sector.
20, 30 years ago, there was no ecosystem if one wanted to become an entrepreneur. So the entrepreneur had to make a big commitment. Dash went without a salary for a year, and I was the sole breadwinner, and we had two kids. It was a bit hard, but we wanted to live that way. It didn't look like we were sacrificing anything. But now the environment system is very supportive, so both the spouses can have their individual careers as well. But yet they have to make a big commitment, otherwise it's a bit hard.